Welcome! One of the things that makes special purpose worksheets special is their ability to perform calculations. To begin, we will start with our worksheet specific special purpose worksheet, or SPW. I'm going to add a line that will contain our variable value that we will use in our formula. We will use our existing sections and we will choose the option for rates. And now for our description, we will enter the cost per user license. Then we will go to our Values tab and say that it costs us $5 per user license. I'm going to click on Preview and Save. Now we need to tell Martus how many users we have. So I'm going to add a line, choose the section for quantities, use my description as users, come back over to Values, and tell Martus on average we have 80 users. Now, in the summer months, we have additional users, so I'm going to increase our users by 20 for each of those months. Then I'm going to click on Save. One thing to notice here is the two lines we just added are not currently posting to the budget, meaning they are just informational values here in our SPW. What we want to do is post the total of the $5 per user times the total users. To do so, I'm going to add a line, and in my section here, we will use our calculation section, and we will call this total license fees. For this line, we're going to choose to post to the budget worksheet. I'm going to find my software subscriptions account and my non-project grant related option. Then I'm going to go to values, and I'm going to change the source here to the formula option. From here, I'm going to use my rates of my user license, and then I'm going to enter my operator and enter my total users. I will click on preview and we will see that Martus is now doing that calculation, and we will see that bump in the summer months when we have additional users. If I want to, I can click on show notes and I can say that this is an additional 20 users and click Save. Now we have utilized our SPW to do calculations for us. This makes it easier when we come into budget next year, assuming that we have the same approximate amount of users, but our amount for per user license has gone up. We can simply click on that option, change this to $5.50, and hit preview and save. Martus will then update the calculations as appropriate. If we are done updating our special purpose worksheet, at this point we would want to make sure to click on the Post to Worksheet button in order to see these values reflected in our worksheet. Thank you for watching how to use formulas in special purpose worksheets. If you're in Martus admin and have additional questions, please contact support@martussolutions.com.